Good afternoon, students. This is the second video of balancing chemical equations. Here we will do some more examples so that you have a better understanding how to balance different types of chemical equations. For example, in the first example what we are having is, say, barium chloride BaCl2 plus potassium sulfate K2SO4. What we will get in the product side is BaSO4 plus KCl. Now, as I have mentioned in the first video on balancing equation, that each and every elements should be balanced separately. Now here, if you can see in the first part, Ba, reactant side, product side 1. Come to Cl, here we have 2 Cl. In the product side we have only 1. So to balance it, we give here 2. As soon as we give here 2, Cl and Cl both are balanced. Now when we give here 2, potassium is in the product side, it is 2, here it is 2, balanced. No need to go balance it anymore. Sulfur 1, 1, oxygen 4, oxygen 4. So everything is balanced in a proper way. Let us take another example. Say BaCl2 plus H2SO4, barium chloride plus sulfuric acid. What we will get is BaSO4 plus HCl. Same, if we take Ba, here 1 Ba, 1 Ba, chlorine here 2, here is 1. To balance it, we put here 2. Come to hydrogen, 2 hydrogen balanced, sulfur 1, sulfur 1, oxygen 4, oxygen 4. So this is the way how we will balance the chemical equations. Say another example in respect of not equation, in respect of the language which it is given. It is barium chloride plus aluminium sulfate, barium chloride plus aluminium sulfate in the product side. What we will get? We'll get aluminium chloride plus barium sulfate. Now, as I have told earlier, that first of all we will write the skeletal equation. Barium chloride BaCl2 plus aluminium sulfate Al2SO4 thrice arrow, aluminium chloride AlCl3 plus barium sulfate. One by one we have to balance. See here, Ba, here is 1 Ba. So for time being, let us keep it. In later case, if we see that we have to add 2, 3, we'll come to it later on. Now here you can see 2 Cl, here is 3. Now let us say we get a common multiple. It is just a simple mathematics. Neither we can deduct here any chlorine, here we can add here chlorine. So what we will do, let us say we put here 3. So 2 into 3, it is becoming 6. If we put here 2, 3 2s are 6. So chlorine is balanced. As soon as the chlorine is balanced, see 3Ba. So to balance it, we put here 3. Now barium and barium is balanced. Here we have put 2ICl. Here reactant side 2 is there. Aluminum is balanced. Sulfur we have 3 sulfur. Oxygen 4 3s are 12. 4 into 3 12. So each and every single element should be balanced separately. After that, when you will see as a whole, the total equation will be balanced. Neither we will balance it all together. One by one we will come, as I have done here. In this way, you will get a better idea, and it will not take time to balance the respective chemical equations. So I hope you have understood. Any types of confusions and problems, you can leave in the comment box. Do subscribe and like the videos. Thank you.